Alright guys, welcome to the channel. Apparently you're here because your pit boss is reporting this error. ERP, and it's flashing. That means that you did not properly shut down your smoker without before unplugging it. So let's do this. First thing we're going to do is push the power button. Hold it down. That's going to start the shutdown process. You want to make sure that it gracefully shuts down. It may take a couple of minutes. You notice the fan is running. Behind this control panel is a small computer, and if it doesn't shut down correctly, it's going to cause a problem. So at some point, either your power went out with the smoker on, or you unplugged it before it properly shut down. So let's let this shut down. Take a couple of minutes. It's just collecting everything, make sure it's going to shut down properly. As you see the blue shutting down right above the dial there, you're in good shape. Just give it a minute or two. Usually, I think the last time we did this, it took a couple of minutes. Shutting down, shutting down. If you unplug it before this completely shuts down on its own, you're going to continue to get that ERP. Just like a computer, you don't want to just unplug it or any other electronic. You always want to shut it down properly. And it's still waiting. Been about a minute and a half so far. Still okay. It's still going. All right, it took about 10 minutes to completely shut down. Let's see how it worked. Yep, it worked. Appreciate you watching. Leave me a comment if this worked for you. Give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. Have a great day.